Installation. Please take the equipment and the components out of the case. Prepare pure water or distilled water about 3,500 milliliters. A. Installation of handpieces. 1. Hang the handpiece in the shelf of handpieces. 2. Pull out the stopples. B. Installation of pedal. Keep the small gap upward and insert the connector, then push it inward mildly and screw it tightly. C. Connection of the power line. Plug the power line. D. Water emitting.
Before emit water, please take down the white hose from emit hole. Pull out the black button.
1. Connect the water pipe with the funnel in the emit water hole. 2. Open the overflow hole. 3. Pour the prepared water to the funnel to fill the machine. 4. When the water tank is full, the water starts spilling out of the overflow hole. Then, the overflow hole should be closed. Debugging. Turn the key in the clockwise direction to launch the machine. If the machine failed to launch, please rotate the emergency switch in a clockwise direction and keep it in bounced status. Press this switch will cut off electricity supply of the machine and it will stop immediately. Keep warming up the machine 1 to 2 minutes. Installation of the treatment head. 1. The laser machine has 2 treatment heads, 1064 nanometers head and 532 nanometers head. 1064 nanometers wavelength head is used for black, blue, brown, and other darker colors tattoo removal. 532 nanometers wavelength head is used red, orange, pink, and other lighter colors tattoo removal. 2. The protective cover should be took off firstly, then screw the treatment head carefully but not too tight.
Adjustment of the screen display. There are 6 independent systems: tattoo, nevus of OTA, skin rejuvenation, embroider eyebrow, speckle removal, birthmark. Enter tattoo operation interface. Adjust parameter. Frequency adjust range is 1 to 6 Hz, recommended 2 to 3 Hz. Power adjust range is 10 to 1000 mJ, recommended 300 mJ. Save setting parameters. Touch the start, meantime stepping pedal, machine will start work.
Procedure of treating. 1. Clean the skin thoroughly, then disinfect this part with normal saline. 2. Keep the treatment skin dry. It is prohibited to treat the skin with water, it will reduce the power seriously. 3. The operator should wear the protective glasses. 4. Set frequency and energy, then launch the machine. 5. Keep the handpiece aiming treatment skin uprightly and treat it with the focus of laser beam. Normally the patient will feel mild tingling. Remarks. 1. The treatment head shouldn't be screwed too tight. 2. The machine should be stopped before changing the treatment heads. 3. It will bring better results to treat large area tattoo part by part from outside to inside carefully. 4. Please pay more attention to care the skin after treatment. Erythromycin ointment can be used. 5. It is normal that mild blood oozing and swelling happen during treatment.